what I did last night. I came home, say, around 2:45, still so high, hypnotized.
Welcome to my channel. This vlog or video is a maintenance week vlog that I've been wanting to do for a minute but never gotten around because I was very inconsistent. And it's it is important. It was my 18th birthday this past weekend and I wanted to vlog myself getting ready for it. And yeah, so I wanted to show you guys the process of what yesterday was, because my birthday was yesterday. And, you know, just to have a vlog, just to do what I love doing, and that's getting prissy and cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to keep seeing me, and I'll see y'all later.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you go.
Okay, I'm gonna make this quick because I got them done. Oh, you can't even see them. I got them done, and when I tell you, I thought it was like 11. No, it's 1 o'clock. Mind you, I got here at 9:30. It's 1 o'clock. So I told my mom I was gonna be home at 2. And I still gotta go get my pedicure and my eyebrows done. So yeah, I'm about to go head out over to the nail salon, and then after that I'm gonna go get some food because I haven't eaten all day. Getting some food afterwards because I have to eat something. So actually, before we head to go get some food, there's a beauty store right next door to the salon, and I had to get some from the salon I had to get something from the beauty store anyway, so let's go ahead and do that. All right. Y'all, I totally forgot to record the part where I was at the nail salon.
My killers don't tell. Shut down my mom cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna call you and get a little maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going well.
get some me time.
You do what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You do what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Whip, body, whip, got it, die on it. Did I ever ask you to take me shopping in Paris? Sailing overseas and just meet me in Gucci, no. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some
forgot that I had to blow dry my hair before I get to my appointment tomorrow. So it is definitely 11 o'clock at night and my appointment's in like 9 hours. I'm so excited. I love me a hair appointment. Like, out of all my maintenance days, my favorite day is the hair because I just love getting my hair done. So I had to rinse out the products that I had in my hair from a couple of days ago since I did like a little braid out, and I had to add like something to it so my hair isn't dry. Sorry, I just ran up the stairs. So yeah, my mom's about to come up in here and blow dry it because I don't like blow drying my own hair because it never comes out right. So I had to have my mom do it, and so thankfully she's still up. But yeah, so we're gonna do that real quick. Okay, so we blow dried my hair out, and it looks kind of cute. I like it, and honestly, the length is kind of lengthened because it's been a minute since my hair has been somewhat decent, and my hair is not naturally long. It's about this length, even when straightened out, maybe a little bit more down when it's straightened out, but honestly, I'm proud of it. It looks really good. I think I look cute right now. I'm about to get my hair done tomorrow, and I'm so excited. This is the inspiration of what I'm trying to do, but it's like not, I would say it is that color, but with like small, like light brown highlights in it. But the half up, half down, I've been wanting to do for a minute since I've never done that. And anytime that I get my hair done, I literally just get it curled, except for this one time I got it straightened. But any other time, I always get my hair curled and just down. So I was like, let's just be different this time and do a half up, half down. So that's what we're going to do. So I actually got to go to sleep so I can actually wake up. So goodbye.